I'm on a vacation. With all the luxuries is exactly what you'll feel while staying at Rhodaus Court in UK. Situated in the heart of Canterbury's historic city, Rhodaus Court offers a choice of 4 to 12-bed ensuite cluster rooms and classic studio apartments. If you are looking to mingle with like-minded students, the ensuite cluster rooms here offer you the perfect opportunity to do so. Besides the basic amenities like a comfy bed, private ensuite shower, spacious wardrobe, and study desk, the room also features a shared ensuite cluster kitchen and large dining table with ample cooking and storage space, which is perfect for that home-away-from-home feeling. For those of you who want to live more independently, Rhodaus Court has a number of classic studios offering fantastic space, an ensuite bathroom, and a personal kitchen to cook up a storm in. The neighborhood also has great transportation connections, making it simple to get around. With the nearest bus station right outside your doorstep and the Canterbury East train station just a 5 minutes walk, traveling in and around the city is like a breeze. So why wait? Reserve your place in Rhodaus Court. Head over to amberstudent.com today.